Hi girls, this is the video for 1J, simple interest. First we have to talk about a formula. So this is the formula we're going to use, and there's many variables in there or letters that we have to fill in. So I is the amount of interest. That's what we'll be getting when we use the formula. Interest is just the amount of money that you get when you deposit money into a bank account. Okay, so it's the money earned. Earned. And P is the principal, so the initial amount. Sorry, that skipped there. So P is the amount of money you deposit at the beginning. Okay, and R is the interest rate, and the 100 turns it into a decimal. So the interest rate might say 12%. So that's the same as 12 over 100. So the formula turns that into a decimal for you. So you can just, when it says 12%, you can just put the 12 up there. And T is the amount of time. We need to be careful with that. Sometimes it's years, sometimes it's months, but usually it's years. Okay, so the first example says $550 is invested. So that's going to be my P. The amount that's invested, the initial amount, at 5% per PA. So that little PA there, I'm going to go like that. That PA means per annum. That's what that stands for. Per and oops, I'm not writing very well. Which really means per year. Okay, so the little r is 5, because that's my interest rate. 12 years is the T. How much interest, so how much I is earned, and how much is the account at the end of 12 years. So I'm going to set up my formula, and I write my formula every time. I equals, maybe I'll write in pen so it looks really nice. I equals P times R over 100 times T. I'm looking for the R, how much I. I'm looking for the I, excuse me, so I put my P, 550 times 5 over 100 times 12. I'm going to pause for 1 second while you do that on your calculator. Okay, so that's 550 times 5 ABC 100 times 12. I can type it straight in, and I get 330. Okay, so that's how much interest I would have earned. That's nice. That's a lot of money in 12 years. So how much interest is earned? Therefore, $330, E-A-R-N-E-D, earned interest. And then it says, and how much is in the account? So as you earn interest, they just put it back into your account. So I started with 550, and then I'll add my interest that I earned. Okay, great. That's good. Okay, the next example, what I'd like you to do is pause and try this example yourself, and then turn back on and see if you got it. Okay, the principal, the interest rate, the time period in years. Well, 42 months is not in years, so I would have to divide by 12, because there's 12 months equals 1 year. So I'm going to divide by 12. I just did it on my calculator and I got 3.5 years. How much interest is earned each year? So in 1 year, each year means 1 year. So I'm going to do that part. I'm going to go I equals P times R over 100 times T. Well, my T is 1 year. So my principal is 12,000 times R, which is 6 over 100, times 1 year, because it says each year. When I do that, I know I'm getting kind of off the track here about my working, but I'll go over here. I'm going to type in 12,000 times 6 divided, ABC 100 times 1. So $720 each year. Then it says how much interest is earned in 2 years. I can just add 720 plus 720, or 720 times 2. How much interest is earned after 42 months? So I might put this in now again and say I equals P times R over 100 times T. So it's 12,000 times 6 over 100 times 3.5, because that's how many years was in 42 months. 12,000, oops, 12,000 times 6 ABC 100 times 3.5. Oops, I must have done something wrong. There we go. 2,520. Okay, sorry, I got off the page there. Okay, your work from 1J in your Cambridge book is 2, 3, 4, and 9. Those are the problems you need to do.